Hello guys, this is Onja. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to order stuff from Aliexpress and how you can pay for your order using the virtual card, accept virtual card on it. So without no further delay, let's get started. So head over to Play Store and download the Aliexpress app. Once you download the Aliexpress app, we are going to open it and sign in with your Gmail account. This is your Google account. Once you have signed in with your Google account, as you can see, it has been signing here. You are going to look for your order. You are going to search for your order, what you want to order. For example, now in my own cart, under here, let me click it. No item is continue shopping. So now I'm going to continue shopping for my order. So let me search it. I'm going to go back to home by clicking here, home, and I'm going to search for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus screen. I'm going to search it here. So let me check here. Let me check it here. This is one. But let me scroll down and look for another. This is another. Okay, this is another Samsung Galaxy. So once I get here, so I'm going to click on the frame here to show all the available type of screen that we have. So I'm going to be checking the price one by one here. Here is the price, and these are the various columns I'm going to be clicking to be checking the price that they are different from each other. So the column one, this is 47,920. This is 47,920 again. This is 20,600. So I'm looking for the one that suits my budget, the screen. Okay, this is 20,760. So let me add it to cart. Let me add this one to cart. I already added it to cart. So now let me go to the cart here and try to know the actual amount in US dollar. So it is actually 25 cents, $25.99. So that's the actual price. So $25 plus 99 cents, meaning it is actually $26 total. Now our dollar rate, we are going to check the dollar rate. Let me use social cash to check the dollar rate. So I want to log in here to check the rate of the dollar. So $1 is actually 1,217 naira at the moment, as you can see here. 1,217 naira at the moment. So I'm going to calculate this times this by $26. So let me do that to my calculator and times it and know the actual amount in naira. Okay, this is my calculator. 1,217 times $26, which means I'm going to be depositing 31,642 naira into the virtual dollar account. So meaning that I'm going to be depositing the money into this account here. Once I deposited the money into this account in naira. I'm going to convert it to dollar. After converting in dollar to dollar, I'm going to get 26 US dollar. Here is actually showing $1. So after depositing the money, here is going to be showing $27 in total, or $26, depending on the accounts I'm using, whether I'm going to be using cheaper cash or this social cash. So and the rate is very, very different depending on the platform you are using. So the rate is very, very different. So I want to add my virtual dollar card to the Aliexpress mobile app. Let me check the card here. The card details. Let me check it here. As you can see, here is my card details here. As you can see, so everything has been asterisk for security purpose, but as well as you can see here, I can show it here. This is it here. So let me add my card details to the Aliexpress account. This is my Aliexpress account. Let me click on add new card number. Let me punch it here. This is the card number. Name on the card, it is Nuruddin Okundare. Expiring month 3/2027 055, and let me click on save for the card. As you can see, the card has been added. As you can see here, it is showing here Visa. The card has been added. Now I'm not making any payment, I'm not purchasing anything right now. I just added the card, as you can see here. So as you can see here, this is the card that I added. So let me just take it and back it like this. So once you have added your card and you top it up with the actual amount of the goods or gadgets you want to buy on here, you are just going to make the payment. Click on to pay here, and then it's going to load for you to make the payments. As you can see, no order has been here unpaid. I have no order here. That's because I'm not buying anything. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to share, like, comment, and see you in the next video. Peace out.